Matatagpuan sa probinsya ng Pangasinan ang ilan sa mga pinakalumang mga simbahan. Kaya naman, hindi maikakailang isa ang pananampalataya sa nagbubuklod sa mga Pangasinense. Sa bayan ng San Jacinto, bago pa man magkaroon ng simbahan, isang maliit na kamarin ang naging tipunan ng mga residente para magsimba. Sa pagdating ng mga paring ibang lahi, isang simbahan ang naitayo. Pero dahil sa mga sunod-sunod na lindol, nasira ang mga bahay tipunan at mga munting simbahan. Pero naging daan din ang mga ito sa pagkakaroon namin ng mas pinagandang St. Hyacinth Parish Church.
In 1598, the church started as kamarin. Kamarin means barn or made of light materials like sawali. It was called annex of Mangaldan or Manawag, because there was no definite church that would be called church because of the kamarin. So the leaders of this town decided to have a church so that we could have it as a parish, an independent parish. There was a construction of a better and a stronger church. Actually, the Church of San Jacinto was ruined 4 times by strong earthquake. First is earthquake happened, and the parish priest assigned to San Jacinto finally was called parish. Then it was burned by the rebels. Since it was burned by the rebels, another priest was assigned to rebuild the church. The third church was destroyed by a very strong earthquake. Another church was constructed, and this is now the new one, and the facade was again destroyed in 1990, another strong earthquake. But it's reconstructed, and this is the present church.
Ang ruins na ito ay mula sa ipinatayong simbahan noong 1721. Bahagya namang nasira ng lindol noong 1848. Nasira naman ang harap nito noong 1880 sa isa pang lindol at tuluyang bumigay taong 1892 dahil ulit sa isang malakas na lindol.